Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a cleaning video. If you need to be motivated to clean, watch this video, or if you just want to watch me clean, then watch this video. I'm gonna do all the cleaning, watering my plants. My fiance already vacuumed the living room, so I don't have to do that. Thankfully he did that yesterday, but I will clean up the couch area and pick up some toys. So I'll do that and do the dishes. But stay tuned to watch me clean everything else. If you want a custom shirt or a custom cup, me and my sister-in-law are doing custom shirts, custom cups on Starbucks. If you want to check that out, I'll put the link down below. Here's one of the shirts that we've made. It says, I want to be where the people aren't. Like the Little Mermaid, I want to be where the people are, but instead aren't. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so you could be notified every time I post a video. I try to post a video every week, so hit that bell so you could be notified every time I post a video. My name is Chantrea. I also go by Treya, and I am a mother of one, and we just bought this house, so I'm gonna have a bunch of renovation videos, makeover videos, so stay tuned for those type of videos. Thank you for watching.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. about? Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you.
So I am done brooming. It's time to mop. And I did not realize how disgusting our floors were. We have a dog, so her dog hair was everywhere. She likes to dig in the front yard and in the backyard, so she brought in a lot of dirt, and it was disgusting. But time to mop. So I am done brooming. I gotta clear this table, clear the countertops, but I'm done brooming and it is time to mop. And I definitely need to take this couch out. This is our old couch that needs to be taken out. But look at this. This is mud from outside when she comes outside. And Ruben already cleaned it up, but she likes to dig all over the place. But yeah, it's time to mop.
Can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. Love me better than you do. You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend.
Okay, so I finally finished mopping, cleaning. I've got to get rid of all the stuff, put them away. I've got to take this couch out. The living room will never stay clean because she's always bringing something here, her toys, junk food, whatever it is, her snacks. So the living room will never stay clean, but at least the floors are clean. Kitchen is cleaned. And for our dining table, I had no idea what to do. I wanted to use my mustard, my mustard table runner, and it has like little tassels, but it is stained, so I don't want to use it. I could actually probably cover the stain with some decor, but it's okay. This is not long enough, but for now it will do. And I had no idea what to do for a centerpiece, so I just put that there. But this is what it looks like so far. It's a lot cleaner than it was, but if you want to see more cleaning videos, stay tuned, because I've got to clean her toy closet, the guest bedroom, her bedroom, our bedroom, and the bathroom. So that video will be coming up soon. That will be a part 2 of this cleaning video. But for now, this is all done. The living room, dining room, and kitchen and front entrance. So I am happy enough with that. So if you want to watch the next video, stay tuned, subscribe, like, and I have more videos coming soon. I want to refurbish this table, paint it, sand it down, restain it, get a bench for this side, paint these, and find 2 master chairs for the end. So yeah, I have a lot of videos coming up if you guys would like to see that.
Too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. 'Cause you haven't got